So hi guys, today one of our students from Prospiders got her dream job in IT industry. So here she is to explain about her experience about Prospiders, how Prospiders guided her, and how she was able to crack her dream company interview in IT industry. Over to you.
Hello, I'm Nandini. I came here in July 2025. I got experience and I started my journey from here. From here, I learned a lot in banking classes, SQL classes. Likit sir overcome my confidence, increased my boost, and Avina sir, I did SQL and Power BI and Excel. All subjects helped me to placed in higher position where it is also my dream company.
So anyways, let's congratulate her. All the best, do well. So today her success story might be a motivation story to get into Prospiders and get into a job in a IT company. Thank you.